Hello, and welcome to today's video of electrical materials, where today we'll be covering electrical resistivity. Electrical resistivity is fundamental in measuring how much a material resists electric current. We can see that it is denoted by the symbol ρ, and it is equal to R times A divided by L, where R is the resistance of the resistor, A is our cross-sectional area of the resistor, and L is our length of the resistor. Let's go ahead and look at an example. For our example, if we are given that a cylindrical conductor is 5 meters long and it has a diameter of 6 centimeters, determine the resistance of the conductor if the electrical resistivity is 2.5 to the 10th negative 8th power in ohms times meters at 0 degrees Celsius. Now, starting off, we can first go ahead and see what we need to solve for. In this case, it is asking for the resistance, which is R in our formula. We can also go ahead and note our given information. So they gave us our electrical resistivity, which is ρ, and they note that it is 5 meters long with a diameter of 6 centimeters. So we know that our 5 meters is our length, and our diameter is in our area, but we can use diameter to solve for area. So let's go ahead and make a note of these. So now that we've made note of our given information, we need to first solve for our area. This is given in page 111 through 113 in the FE handbook. So according to the FE handbook, the area for a cylinder is pi times a squared, where a is our radius. So because we know that our diameter is 6 centimeters, then our radius a is half of that, 3 centimeters. So we can go ahead and plug this into our area formula. So we have pi times 3 squared, which is equal to 28.27, and it's centimeters squared. Now that we have our given information, let's go ahead and rearrange our resistivity formula to solve for resistance. So we can solve for R by equaling it to the resistivity times length and divided by our area. Let's go ahead and clean up the board so that we can go ahead and solve using our new formula. So let's go ahead and start plugging in our values into our resistance formula. So our electrical resistivity is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 8th power. We can times that by our length, which is 5 meters. And we can divide this by our area. But before we do so, one thing to note is that because our length is given in meters, we need to convert our area into meters squared as well. So if we do this conversion, our area is equal to 0.0028 meters squared. So now we can go ahead and continue to plug in. So we divide our numerator by 0.0028, and we can go ahead and multiply our numerator, which gives us 1.25 times 10 to the negative 7th power. And once again, dividing by 0.0028, which gives us 4.46 times 10 to the negative 5. And this is in ohms for our resistance. This concludes our video on electrical resistivity. Thank you for watching.